in, and this is in regard with a security breach that has been reported, where we learn that on December 5th, Air India aircraft VT-XT A320 rejected a takeoff at Goa due to ATC instructions, as takeoff was initiated from taxiway A. Speed at reject was approximately 120, and after the rejected takeoff, vacated taxiway and returned back to the base. So aircrafts, remember, cannot take off from taxiway, but Air India took off from taxiway and not the runway. The serious breach of security was done by Air India. The matter has been reported to the DGCA, and now DGCA has sought report from Air India on the serious breach. So Air India in the dock now, where we learned that an aircraft of Air India that was supposed to fly off from Goa to Hyderabad took the taxiway and not the runway. This matter is a serious breach of security that was done by Air India. The matter, remember, has been reported to the DGCA. The DGCA has taken cognizance of the same and has sought a report from Air India on the serious breach that has been reported. So breaking news there coming in, where a major security breach has been reported at Goa airport. This by Air India, where we learn that Air India flight VT-XT A320 that was supposed to take off from Goa took off from the taxiway instead of the runway, which is a security breach. The DGCA has taken cognizance of the matter and has sought a report from the DGCA.
And while Mamata Banerjee has expressed intent to lead the Indy bloc, the Congress has responded to the same, hinting that all is not well in the Indy bloc. All right, let's try and play that statement coming in from the Congress, responding to Mamata Banerjee's pitch to lead the opposition bloc. It's Rashid Alvi who's accepted that not everything is well in the opposition bloc.
No, it is all right if she's interested to lead this alliance, but if there is any alliance, any front, all the members of the alliance shall decide who will lead it, who will not lead it. It is not only Congress party or Rahul Gandhi or leader of any political party who can decide it. She is a very seasoned politician, and she knows it very well that one person cannot decide it. All members of the alliance, of India Alliance, can decide it, who can lead it.
Mamata Banerjee has said that given a chance, she has shown her willingness to lead India Alliance, and she has commented on how India Alliance is failing currently. So what kind of equation does she share with the alliance, and how do you look at this?
No, firstly, we should understand how India Alliance was formed. It was formed at a critical time before the Lok Sabha elections. It was formed with an objective of putting up a united fight against BJP and its allies to defeat them in order to save the nation, constitution and democracy. Then Lok Sabha elections were held. Then several assembly elections were held. As far as left parties are concerned, our party is concerned, we are not happy with the way the seat sharing talks were held, negotiations were held. I made it clear. Now what TMC leader is saying, it is for her to explain, because even when India bloc was formed, we were clear the situation is not the same in every state.